This is an editorial I decided to do about the recent DNA study, which I've kind of stayed quiet on, sort of up until I kind of discussed it a bit last Monday on MNBRT radio, but I haven't really put out an editorial about it. Uh, excuse me. As we all may or may not know by now, the DNA study, the results were prematurely announced 2 weeks ago, leaked by Igor Burtsev, and the results came out supposedly that Sasquatch, as we know it, is actually a human hybrid with an unknown primate. Well, the only problem is that leads us back to exactly that, unknown primate. And I'm running out of juice for this, so I better make this quick. In my opinion, I think this thing has just been handled very poorly. It's been handled very unprofessionally, and by Dr. Ketchum, unfortunately. And basically, we're not learning anything that we haven't already learned about this study, unfortunately. So, until we get more and further information, until this thing is peer-reviewed, until this thing is published in a scientific journal, which, by the way, it's been rejected in America, it looks like it may go to Russia, until this thing is properly vetted, and the question of Sasquatch's existence, at least to some, is still going to stay open. It's going to remain an open book, as it were. The question will still remain open. So no, this is not the proof of Sasquatch's existence yet, despite the fact that this went all over the media and everything. I mean, media outlets everywhere were talking about this story, but it has not proven anything as of yet. And the fact that it hasn't proven anything yet means that squatchers still have a long way to go. So really, not much has changed in the last couple of years or so of this 5-year study. So that's just my thoughts on it. I'm very disappointed in the in this, and hope maybe the Sykes study will do better to prove the existence. I'm hoping so anyway.